Okay, part 2 to how you get business credit with bad credit. So, if you haven't seen part 1, I advise you to go see it because I'm doing this in order. You need the structure, guys, in order to even get the funding. I'm telling you, it's very important. If you don't remember anything else, you have to structure your business and set it up properly and legally in order for anybody to lend you anything. Okay, and grants too. You need to set your business up properly. Okay, let's take this thing serious. All right. So, where are you going to get the business credit if you have bad credit? Okay, this is also for people who have good credit, but you just don't want to leverage your good credit in order to build out business credit. I get it. So remember I told you in part 1 that I wasn't gatekeeping? This is my actual presentation that I give to my students in my Business Credit Academy, EIN only, okay? Not gatekeeping. Now, of course, I'm not going to tell you everything, but I'm going to give you some good gems. So, where you can go after you structure your business is Sam's Club. Sam's Club allows you to get a business credit card, EIN only, which means you're not using your personal credit. And I was able to get a $9,000 credit limit, an actual MasterCard that I can use anywhere. And my business was only 6 months old, okay? So don't listen to these people when they tell you, oh, your business has to be 2 years old in order for us to award you funding. That's not true. Just make sure you set that structure up right. Go back to part 1. All right, another place you can go is... you can go to Home Depot. Home Depot has an EIN only card, and Lowe's has one. You can go to Lowe's, and it's going to be Lowe's for Pros. It's going to be the yellow card. They have different ones, all right? JCPenney's. I have gotten a lot of my stuff to run my business off JCPenney because also, guys, I'm a content creator because I have to push my business out in order to acquire clients, right? So what I do is I go to JCPenney's and I bought me a Baby Bliss flat iron. I bought me some clothes, some jewelry, all of that. And I take that and I claim it on my taxes as an expense because those clothes and that attire that I bought is helping me to run my business and to do marketing, okay? You can go to Amazon, pay by invoice. It used to be called accounts receivable, but now I think it's called pay by invoice. They're always changing things, guys. But my account says pay by invoice for Amazon. That's EIN only. I was able to get a $2,500 credit limit. My business being 6 months old. Floor & Decor. Now, Floor & Decor recently they done away with the business credit card that they did have. It used to be underwritten by Synchrony Bank, which is also the same bank that Sam's Club uses. So Floor & Decor used to be an option. You could try to do EIN only. I haven't had a client who wants Floor & Decor yet, but we're working on that. So AutoZone is also another one. I was able to get excuse me, y'all. I was able to get, was it 2,000? I have all of this stuff written down in my book at home. I think 2,000 a monthly line of credit for AutoZone because I was a former Turo Superhost, y'all. So a lot of these accounts help me to run the real estate portion of my business and the Turo hosting, the car rental portion, okay? You can also go to TBC, which is an affiliate of NTB. They give out tires. Those are the tire people. You know, they can do oil changes and all of that good stuff, okay? For my people who leverage their business cards in order to make revenue, this is for you. So yeah, these are some, just to name a few. And these are all the ones that I named. They're in tier 2. They're in tier 2. And then also tier 3 is the gas card. You can get the Shell small business card. It is the one that says small business because they have a couple of them. Okay. And then you also can get, and I was able to get, how much I got on that one, y'all? I think I got $3,500 on that one. Again, my business was 6 months old. And then BP has a MasterCard. It's the MasterCard that says Business Solutions on it. It's a great card, has Business Solutions on it. And I was able to get $9,500 credit limit. In business credit, they're always going to give you bigger amounts than your personal credit because they understand that you need that wiggle room in order to grow and to sustain your business. Okay, so this is just some credit cards to name for you that you can get EIN only. I hope you guys found this useful. I need you to save this. I need you to like it. I need you to share it. Also, if you want specifically, because I showed you what, now I can show you how you get business credit. I need you to put funding down in the comments, and I am going to send you the link in order for you to download. Okay? All right. Peace.